I found a way to take control of my reminders lists, so I'm much more organised than ever before. So if your lists are starting to look a little bit like this, it's no wonder it's overwhelming. So many tasks, no clear priority, and everything just blends into that one long page. But there's actually a simple built-in feature that will fix this in seconds. And if you enjoy iPhone tricks like this, please feel free to subscribe. I've got plenty more quick tips coming. Right, so here's how it works. When you're on that big list of reminders in the Reminders app, just tap on the three dots in the top corner and then choose Auto-Categorise from that menu. And just like that, your reminders are instantly going to be grouped into sections, making it much easier to see what actually needs your attention. This uses Apple Intelligence to sort your reminders for you, and of course you can still drag and drop if you want to move things between sections or tweak them. But straight away, it turns that messy, unorganized list into something that you can actually manage. And here's one reminder I can help you tick off right now. Hit subscribe so you won't miss the next quick tip. And if you want to see what else your iPhone can do, check out this video next.